Are you interested in investing in stocks, but unsure where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll go through some simple steps to help you confidently choose your first stocks as a beginner. Hello, and welcome. Investing in stocks can feel overwhelming for beginners, but the right knowledge can make a huge difference. By the end of this video, you'll have the basics you need to start choosing stocks with confidence. When it comes to choosing stocks, here are a few key things to focus on. This includes looking at a company's revenue, profit, and financial stability. A strong financial history shows that a company has been doing well, and it's an important factor to consider when investing. Ask yourself, does this company have room to grow? Look for companies with new products, expanding markets, or strong leadership. These factors can suggest future growth, which can lead to a higher stock price. Remember, every investment comes with risks. Check if the company is in a stable industry or a volatile one. Understanding risk helps you avoid potential surprises and pick stocks that match your risk tolerance. Here are a few tips to help you get started with confidence. Start with well-known companies. Begin with blue chip stocks, companies that are stable, well-known, and have a long track record. These are often less risky and are a good way for beginners to start. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification means not putting all your money into one stock or sector. By spreading your investment, you reduce the risk. For example, you might invest in a mix of technology, healthcare, and energy stocks to balance things out. Set a budget. Only invest money you're comfortable losing. Set a budget, especially in the beginning. This helps you avoid the common mistake of over-investing and keeps your finances safe. Ready to start investing? So, those are the basics of how to choose stocks for beginners. Remember, investing is a long journey. The key is to start slow, do your research, and learn as you go. I hope this video helps you take your first step in stock investing with confidence. Good luck!